Raj,
Yeah.
you can stay here.
Yeah.
So you're the organizer of this event.
Yes. So there is a brand called Aikyam Village. So we transition from techno to just to make something for artists. So it is again a non-profit organizing. Like, come, let's gather all the artists together and like keep the gates also to them and like some all things, because the certainly in Goa right now we have to do something about the art and everything. I know electronic music is like taking over right now, but the if you can see workshops what we kept, and like the artist is more about the live thing, because what I see in Goa or in India is there properly, but in Goa right now the electronic music is like crazy, but live artist has to be recognizable. So I think
So you're saying that the clubs, like
Yeah.
the big clubs, are taking over.
yeah, because
And then the like the grassroots
yeah,
artists are like
the grassroots. So in Indian culture there is a classical artist where I grew up so much in Rajasthan, so it was so good, and then we thought like, okay, fine, let's put something. This is the first project of ICAM, and then we saw the opportunity, so we kept the name Art Mela. Art Mela means the gathering of the community or the artist, the live artist. So how much we can empower it, it will be so good. We can try out. This is the first edition. Second edition will be there soon in new location. It's every 15 days in month. We will do 2. The what's happening, it's really exciting. There was one guy called Lenian. He did like tabla plus guitar, and then there is next guy Mandis who played cosmic disco with Mannequin Disorder. It's a funk and disco mixture, and there is a FRECKO and Cameyo. FRECKO is again a rock and roll artist, but plus do looping and everything with that. And Cameyo is more about the 2 people from Berlin who does beatboxing and like singing with it. And then there is Sanyasai. So Sanyasa is more into like root culture and reggae, and he represents the Rasta culture properly. So we thought like in art is basically really cool to show up that thing. And then we have numerous amount of like workshops. For now this event we kept like mandala, live painting, street photography. I know people love that. Pottery is main thing, our highlight thing, and acro yoga is there, sound healing is there.
yeah, and the sound healing's being done in the pool, which is really cool.
Yeah, pool, yeah. So we choose pool not to put on the grounds and everything, because the sound healing goes really good with
the
water. Yeah. So that's why breath work was there. And pottery is like mainly this brand is like around like 15 to 16-year-old brand. So we are doing pottery with the marquee. The name of the brand is an LED and fire show. For now it is like this, and like soon in Bagicha it will be like more good. Do listen more live music, and like don't leave that. That is also music, and techno is also music. But let's do more art, and like people can learn from it. You can improve your life. And I love this guy.
And this guy's hair is fucking epic. Have you seen this? Look at this. Oh my. What's your name, man?
My name is David.
You're the barman for today.
Yeah. Today I'm making fun. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you guys.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so I'm here with Aman, and he is going to show me around his photography, and you are a local artist here in Goa, right?
Yeah, I'm living in Goa from last 1.5 years now. Yeah. So I started photographing like around 8-9 years back.
Yeah.
When I was in college.
Okay, so we're going to go in now. We're going to look at his photos. He's going to explain a bit about
A little bit, yeah, I can.
where they're from, and I'm excited because they're looking great.
Okay. This picture is from Varanasi. I took this like just 2 months back. Yeah. And it's on the Ghat, like near Assi Ghat in Varanasi. So yeah.
What made you completely take out the background?
Completely take out the background.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's like more like a kind of a theoretical question for me as of now. Okay, so whenever you are taking silhouette, so it's always better if you can like clean, you can have the clean background. You always take like the light up completely opposite to your camera, so that you get like very clean background, and your shapes can be very like concretely clear. So now you can see very clear shapes. That's why we need clear background. Like background's meant to be very clean and with no distractions.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
Yeah. So I just got this moment. This like children were playing here. This by a guy was like after the bath he was just sitting.
And this is in the same shot.
Yeah, of course, it's one shot. It's not. Instead, you can't manipulate pictures. So it has to be natural. It has to be spontaneous. It has to be on spot. You can't manipulate it later. So the same shot, like these people were like, just running here and they're taking like dip into the Ganga, and the boat was there. This guy was just sitting. So I just get the frame right, and like this thing is very like thing if you can see here.
It's almost like
it feels like he's jumping on the boat.
Jumping off the boat. Yeah.
Like kind of
That's
fun
really cool.
thing that we do in street.
Really cool.
So as I told you, this time of my life, of course, it's
Exactly.
very present thing.
Exactly.
Okay, this is my just little introduction. Okay.
And then that, I love that. Such a cool photo.
This magic. That's it.
So you're gonna have this available online, Aman?
Okay, maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe.
He only made this yesterday, so
It's just yesterday.
we'll hopefully have it online so you can purchase
Soon,
it.
maybe within a week. Yeah.
Brother,
Yeah.
thank you so much, man.
Most
Thank
welcome,
you.
Most welcome.
Okay. Hey guys, so we've got brothers here. What's your name, brother?
Matthew, hello.
Matthew and
Louis.
and this is Mannequin Disorder, and they're a local band from Goa and Bangalore, right?
Yeah.
So I'm just going to ask these guys a couple of questions. We're going to learn about their art and where they're from, their inspirations.
So what do I do with this? Just hold
So
it.
yeah, you can just have that, just like that. So tell us a little bit about your project. How did you guys start? How did you get into music? Whose idea was the project?
So yeah, we are brothers. We have been jamming since all our lives. And at one point we had a rock and roll band, and we made some albums. We toured in India, and then we had this constant drummer issues. Like drummer kept changing.
Yeah.
So we decided to replace them with machines. Electronic.
Yeah, nice.
And that's how Mannequin Disorder shaped up.
Nice. You're the guitarist, right?
Yeah, I play guitar.
And then you're the singer, and you do like effects as well, right?
Right.
And we have a synthesizer as
And you're a synthesizer. And who's your inspiration, like with guitar? And
For you?
what's the inspiration behind the music? Who inspires you to create what you create?
Sure.
Yeah. So, as a guitarist, I get inspired a lot by Rory Gallagher, Jimi Hendrix, a lot of guitarists, So yeah, I mean, a lot of genres. Basically, we listen to different kind of genres. So we try to blend all that in the music that we create and try to create something.
So we like blues and
And so who comes up with the ideas of the songs? Like, how do you guys access creativity, and do you have any advice for other musicians to access their creativity?
sure.
So we also travel to different places in Goa, like Kerry, for example. We sit there and see the vibe of the place, and we try to see what comes out of it. That's how we make different songs in different places. We kind of get attached to that place.
Nice. So you kind of go to different places, feel what inspiration comes through you, and then you let the universe do its thing, right?
Yeah, it just comes
Nice.
out.
And
Apple Music, Spotify, we are on YouTube, everywhere. Yeah.
amazing. So I'll put the links in the description. And thank you for allowing me to interview you guys. And you guys were fucking awesome. I hope you guys.
Namaste.
Hey, Sophia, how are you?
I'm very good. Thank you so much.
And can you tell us a little bit about your sound healing, please?
Yes, my sound healing journey started because I'm very into sound in general. I'm a producer and vocalist, so I have done lots of music productions.
Wow.
And then beginning from this year, I dived more into sound. And I was already very interested in meditation, hypnosis, and I wanted to do my own background. So I googled sound healing, and I found the best school in India, and also went for the first time to India this year. So it all came
So it's
together.
all aligned.
And I just finished my level 3 certification.
Congrats.
Thank you so much. Went to the Academy of Sound, which is like the best school in Rishikesh. And I bought my beautiful singing bowls.
Are these all from Rishikesh?
They are from the Himalayas, indeed. Yeah. And it's a 7 chakra ball, but I collected them individually, so I handpicked them because I wanted to know and really connect with every ball. That's why you can also see they're not fit together in a way. One is like really golden, but I wanted to have every tone really resonate. And my voice is A2, so I needed an A2 to start with and then really
interesting.
get into it.
So you've brought it all together with yourself, with your voice.
Exactly. So the voice will come eventually too. So I will do like a guided hypnosis, sound healing, sound bath, and pioneer something new.
Wow.
But I just started, so this is the beginning, and it's already.
Well, I've never seen anything in a pool yet.
Yeah, this is hydro aqua sound healing. So the water, the frequencies travel even more into the water because we are made out of water as well. And through the help of it, it comes even deeper inside of you. So you're surrounded by water, the frequency go over the water, and you are water. So it's like the full circle, basically.
Wow, that's really cool.
Yeah, and you're floating too. So it's like you have this kind of no gravity.
It's almost like the
lightness.
float tank.
Yeah,
Similar, but with
but then with sound.
With sound as well.
In the float, you also have it underwater. The sound. This is like above water.
Yeah.
But you could also put the balls on the body and then in the water. Different possibilities.
Amazing. Yeah, can you tell us a little bit about the experience?
I felt like I was in a womb.
In a womb.
Yes.
That sounds tranquil.
And I could just be here in a very relaxed state.
Yeah.
And I have tried sound healing on ground before, but being a water baby, it was amazing.
I'm also a water baby.
And you're held and you feel like you're in this deep space, which makes you feel one with the water. And almost like lucid dreaming and astral traveling, all this is going to happen now.
Wow, there's
Amazing.
there's
Yeah,
so much in that. I
Yeah.
love that.
Okay, so there's a secret about Eyota. He's actually half human, half cyborg. Wow. So he was taken away from a family in South Germany. The German government, of course, they're crazy. They did an experiment on him. And so they created this. So I'll just demonstrate how it works, quickly. So all you have to do is press one button, then here at the back you go. A bit more forward. That's it.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. How are you feeling?
Creeped out. They're like, what the? Alright. So, Eyota, please, could you go in the hip hop? Should we do some hip hop?
Put your motherfucking hands in the air.
Woo! Make some noise. Yeah, I said, my name's Camilla Simon, they call me Cammy, and I'm coming for you. Our connection is chemistry, but you just love cause the love is a mystery, and we all have some history. And take a bow cause we all kings and queens, we all deserve to believe me, you know this is true. Take a picture, you got a picture. The beauty on the inside is not about the money, it's about you, honey. Look around, let your heart fly, keep your feet on the ground. Now listen, just listen to this sound. Hear the sound, feel the vibes, start running around. Cause no one knows you better than you. Cause no one knows you better than you. I said, no one knows you better than you.
Let's go, funky.
Woo! Come on.
I think we have to stop.
Do we have to stop?
No, go, keep
There's
going.
another act after us. Oh, I don't know if I really wanna share this time. Oh, I don't know if you're walking in the same line like me.
Okay, last row.
Ooh.